In today's video, we are going to answer some frequently asked questions about the 2010 to 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Questions like, what is the Dodge Caravan like? Is it trustworthy? How is the transmission? How is the engine? Fuel economy? Is it a nice ride? And what's the best price for a used Caravan? We will answer all of these questions and more in today's video, so stay tuned. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you very much for coming back. Before we begin, please remember to leave a like. Also, let us know your thoughts about the Dodge Grand Caravan in the comments below. Let's get right into it. What is the Dodge Caravan like? Well, the Dodge Caravan is a minivan that was produced from 2008 to 2025. It was available in multiple trims and with various options, including different engines and transmissions. The interior is spacious, with seating for up to 7 passengers and plenty of cargo space. It also has a number of features designed to make it more enjoyable to drive, such as a smooth ride, quiet cabin, and user-friendly infotainment system. The exterior is boxy, but still stylish with a chrome grille and available roof rails. Overall, the Dodge Caravan is a practical and versatile vehicle that is ideal for families or anyone who needs a lot of space for passengers or cargo. Is it trustworthy? The Dodge Caravan is generally considered to be a trustworthy vehicle. It has a reputation for being reliable and durable, making it a good choice for families or anyone who needs a vehicle that can handle a lot of wear and tear. Also comes with a number of safety features such as electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes, and multiple airbags, which help to protect occupants in the event of an accident. However, like any vehicle, it is important to do your research and check the vehicle history report before purchasing. Also, be sure to have the vehicle inspected by a trusted mechanic to ensure that it is in good condition. By taking these precautions, you can help to ensure that you are getting a safe and reliable vehicle. How is the transmission? The transmission in the Dodge Grand Caravan is generally considered to be reliable if properly maintained. Most models are equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which has been rated highly by owners and critics alike. However, as with any vehicle, there have been some reports of transmission problems such as slipping or rough shifting. These issues typically occur when the vehicle has been driven for a long period of time or if the fluid has not been changed regularly to help prevent transmission problems. It is important to follow the recommended maintenance schedule and have the fluid changed as recommended by the manufacturer. In addition, it is also a good idea to drive the vehicle smoothly and avoid aggressive driving habits such as hard acceleration or braking. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your transmission lasts for the life of the vehicle. How is the engine? The engine in the Dodge Caravan is generally considered to be reliable if properly maintained. Most models are equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which is known for its durability and efficiency. However, as with any engine, there have been some reports of problems such as overheating or misfires. These issues typically occur when the engine is not maintained properly or if the vehicle is driven in extreme conditions. To help prevent engine problems, it is important to follow the recommended maintenance schedule and have the fluids changed as necessary. In addition, it is also a good idea to drive the vehicle responsibly and avoid extreme temperatures whenever possible. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your engine lasts for the life of the vehicle. Fuel economy. The Dodge Caravan is not known for its fuel economy. The EPA estimates that the 2017 Dodge Caravan will get 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This is lower than many other vehicles in its class. The main reason for the poor fuel economy is the vehicle's size and weight. The Dodge Caravan is a large vehicle and it weighs over 4,000 pounds. This makes it difficult for the engine to maintain speed on the highway and in city traffic. Additionally, the vehicle's aerodynamics are not particularly efficient, which also contributes to poor gas mileage. If you are looking for a vehicle with better gas mileage, you may want to consider a smaller or more aerodynamic vehicle. However, the Dodge Caravan is a popular vehicle for families and other drivers who need a lot of space. So the poor gas mileage is not a deal breaker for everyone. Is it a nice ride? The ride quality of the Dodge Grand Caravan is generally considered to be good. It is known for providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough roads. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and dips in the road, making for a more enjoyable driving experience. Additionally, the cabin is well insulated, which helps to reduce noise and provide a more peaceful atmosphere. However, some owners have reported that the ride can be a bit bouncy, especially when the vehicle is loaded down with passengers or cargo. This is due to the vehicle's height and weight distribution. Overall, most people are happy with the ride quality of the Dodge Grand Caravan. It provides a comfortable and smooth driving experience that is ideal for long road trips or daily commuting. What's the best price for a used Caravan? That is a tough question to answer because the price of a used Caravan can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, including the vehicle's age, mileage, condition, and options. However, I can provide you with some general guidelines based on recent sales data. Ultimately, the best price for a used Dodge Caravan is subjective and depends on your individual needs and budget. I recommend doing your research, shopping around, and being patient in order to find the best deal possible. You may also want to consider getting a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic in order to avoid any potential problems down the road. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you are getting a great deal on a used Dodge Caravan. If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a super. Thanks, and see you all on the next one.